Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Green color, black color, brown color, violet color, olive color, grey color, pink color, red color, purple color, lime color, yellow color, dark blue color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for apple. B for bat. C for cow. Number 1, number 2, number 3. A for apple. A for arrow. B for ball. B for bat. C for cow. C for cat. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Number 2. T-W-O 2. Number 3. T-H-R-W 3. A for arrow. B for butterfly. C for cat. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors. Brown color, black color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, dark green color, pink color, violet color, dark blue color, red color, purple color. Today we'll learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. A for avocado. A for ant. B for book. B for banana. C for candy. C for cherry. D for doll. D for dog. E for eggplant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for flowers. G for goat. G for grapes. H for head. H for hen. I for iron. I for ice cream. J for jam. J for jelly. K for king. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. L for lion. M for mother. M for moon. N for nurse. N for nuts. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. O for ox. O for orange. P for pen. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for quill. R for rose. R for rainbow. S for strawberry. S for sky. T for train. T for toy. U for uniform. U for universe. V for violin. V for van. W for wax. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yum. Z for zero. Z for zipper. O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.